This one's in line.
We're done security. Or I don't know what it's called. Miami.
Right there.
Just landed in South Beach, Miami. Trying to find a place to eat, have dinner. Starving. 3-hour flight on Air Canada. It was okay. It was water. South Beach in Miami, and it's pretty quiet. There's nobody around, and we got a lot. Say hi, yeah. Hi. It's really quiet, which we like. Not too busy, but it's really, really nice. Nice weather. Feels so weird to be just to be out and about, no mask, no mandate, just regular life. Really weird. We are in Miami. Where are we in Miami?
South Beach.
South Beach. Our first day here. We got here last night at about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. The weather is fantastic today. This is our view from our room is just right there. This is the view from our room. So we got our own little private balcony, and then the pool. The pool. Fantastic day. The weather's nice. We don't have an agenda today. We're gonna do some work first off because it's still Friday. But then we're gonna just get out and just relax. Maybe hit the pool for a little bit so she can swim, and then hit the beach later. The weather's about 28 right now, so I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but
It's like 84.
84.
Like checked. Wait,
Yeah, no, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. We are exploring our hotel. We are at the gates, Miami. Ooh, Django. So what do you do?
okay, let's stack it. Did you just say Jenga?
Isn't it Django?
It's Jenga.
Jenga?
So I used it, and it's gross. Look how pretty it is. The palm trees says coconuts on it.
We're in South Beach, Miami. Oh,
We're in South Beach, Miami.
and then we got interrupted.
Why do you have your headphones on?
Makes me look important. There's a bridge.
Oh, it is.
Let's go see what's on the bridge while your mom's on the phone.
I realized that I forgot to do something. I'm gonna be sweaty, and then I'm gonna be stinky, so that's gross. We're gonna look.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Lately, I've been feeling unalive. Then you take me back to life. It's cool stuff. a Starbucks. And my hand stuff. Edition. Woohoo. Woohoo.
We're going to the marketplace. Stopped by the marketplace for lunch at this hotel called Edition. It's like beautiful. Look at this place. See it? It's quite nice here. Very bright, vibrant, marble-ish kind of looking kind of place. Really, really nice.
Have a little bit of Sikasha and Shibata. Right.
Where's your washroom?
Madam, we don't have one here in the restaurant. It's going to be next to the front desk on the right hand side.
Perfect, thank you. Can you watch my purse? It's just on my shirt. That's so.
I'm gonna try eggplant dip for the very first time. Eggplant dip for the very first time. Okay, here we go. Rip me a piece. Okay, here we go.
Cocktail, sir. Thank you. Right. As well as a crispy calamari. Yep. The other side.
Thank you.
Right. And only cheese. Everything on the side. Ketchup and
This is what Ayla learned from her vice principal, the one that drives the Tesla.
Okay, let's.
3, 4, 5. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward. Clap. Back.
Okay, we're
Clap. Good job. After a full stuffy meal, we're walking. With no agenda in mind, we're just walking. 20-minute walk back to our hotel. Can you handle it?
No.
Exactly. Is this out of shape?
I couldn't get